What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Daniel, and in today's video we're going to be installing a grab bar on a Gheenoe Highsider. Everything you're going to need is laid out here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using 2 clamps. I'm going to be using a drill. I'm going to be using a piece of plastic just to make sure the grab bar is secure with fiberglass. I'm going to be using 2 drill bits, and I'm going to be needing the hardware for my grab bar. This grab bar comes with 2 rod holders. It comes with a switch box already installed, as well as the wire for the switch box. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to secure the piece of plastic to the bottom of the grab bar, where I'm going to be pre-drilling the holes that are going to go on the inside of the of my dry box. Pre-drill the holes. I'm going to be using the 5/16 drill bit. I'm going to go ahead and widen the holes with a 3/8 drill bit. Make sure my bolt goes through. Perfect. Next step is we're going to pre-attach the grab bar to the side of the Gheenoe. We're going to use a clamp for that. That's where the grab bar will go. Now, with the clamp, I could go ahead and pre-drill these holes. For the holes in the gunnels, we're going to use a 7/32 drill bit. I'm going to drill a pilot hole. I'm going to drill the holes without the grab bar installed. Fits right through it. Perfect. Perfect. Go right through. Once the bolts are through, we're gonna go ahead and secure them with we have washers and we have lug nuts. I am also going to use red Loctite. Just put a drop in it. Nothing crazy. Try not to get that stuff all over your boat. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure these nuts before I drill the holes for the bottom of the grab bar. Once your grab bar is secured to the side of the gunnel right here, we're going to go ahead and drill the holes for this dry box. I like it sitting against the bottom of this compartment right here. That way I know it just sits there. We're going to go ahead and place the plastic backing on the inside of that dry container box. pretty strong, and I'm using a lot of force with the whole bolt. This is it, guys. Stay tuned for another video where I'm going to be installing a bilge pump. I'm going to be installing navigation lights and a few other things that I want to install to this panel switch. I'm going to put a link in the description for the company where I got this grab bar from. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me make more videos. Thank you, guys.